Good morning everyone, this is Swapna. Welcome. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of neural networks and benefits. Neural network is a machine. It is a designed model which mimics the brain performance of a particular task or function of your interest. Here it is the definition. Neural network is a machine that is designed to model the way in which the brain performs a particular task or function of interest. That means it is a machine which has the design model mimics the brain performing a particular task. And neural networks also have the different names. What are that names means? Neurocomputers, connectionist networks, parallel distributed process. These are the different names generally we will use to represent the neural networks. That means these are the different names. Neural network is a massively parallel distributed processor made up of simple processing units which has a natural propensity for storing experiential knowledge and making it available for use. It resembles the brain in two respects. Here it is given the particular definition for the neural network. What is the definition meaning means it is a network which contains the parallelly distributed process of simple processing units. It is a set of simple processing units which are connected in parallel and it stores the knowledge and it applies that one and it make it as available for use to complete a particular task. That is the definition of neural network. And it resembles the brain in two aspects. What is? Knowledge is acquired from the surrounding environments through the learning process. Acquiring the knowledge by using the any type of learning process, it takes from the environment. And interneuron connection strengthens. Interneuron connection here which strengthens the network is known as synaptic weights. It is used to store that acquired knowledge. First it acquires the knowledge through the learning process from the environment. Whatever the knowledge acquired from the environment, it stores by using the synaptic weights. Next, benefits of the neural network. Neural network has the computing power. How it is getting the computing power? More computing power means through the parallelly distributed structure as well as the ability to learn and generalizing concept. By this it will get the computing power. And what is the generalization? Generalization refers to the neural network producing the reasonable outputs for inputs which are not encountered during the training. So by using this ability it solves the complex problems. Neural networks has the computing power because of its parallel distributed structure and one more ability to learn and applying the knowledge. That is generalizing. What is the generalizing means? Whatever the new task will come which is not encountered while the network training, for that also it produces the output depending upon the inputs. So and also it has the ability to solve the complex problems. These are the benefits of the neural networks. Next, properties and capabilities. First property is non-linearity. Artificial neurons are two types, linear and non-linear, but neural network here it is made up of the non-linear neurons because it has the parallelly distributed structure. Next one is the input-output mapping. Depending upon the unique input and what is the output, desired output is there, depending upon that it always modifies the synaptic weights to minimize the difference or to minimize the error. That's why we are calling it is input-output mapping. Adaptivity. Once the neural network is designed, whatever the synaptic weights given further to strengthen the structure, if depending upon the surrounding changes it adjusts that weights. it adjusts that bits. That is we can call as a adaptivity. And evidential response is the another property. What is the evidential response means? Depending upon the inputs and output given to that neural network while it is the training, it selects the one pattern, and depending upon that it makes the decisions for new input which is not encoded while training. That we can call as the evidential response. Next property is the contextual information. Contextual information means what type of structure it is having, what are the active states, it will give that information also. Next property is the fault tolerance. It has the robust structure. Whenever there is any fault is there, then also it continues its work. But while it is continuing its work, little bit of degradation in performance. That is one property of the neural network. Next one is the VLSI implementation ability. To get that complex computing power to solve the complex task, it is using the VLSI technology. What is VLSI technology means? Very large scale integrated technology it will uses to design the neural network. To do the fast computation, to get the more computing power and to solve the complex problems, it uses this property. Next property is uniformity of analysis and design. That means it has the common features. Once the neural network is designed, you can use for different applications which requires the same structure and design. That means it is easily adaptable for new applications also, because of having the property of uniformity of analysis and design. Last property is neurobiological analogy. Neurobiological analogy means, already we said, neural network model mimics the brain functionality. For that is the one property of neural network. Here we are specifying that, which we are giving the two examples how neural network mimics that our biological analogy of brain functioning. So here one specified is example vestibulo-ocular reflex. It is for oculometers. What is that means? It stabilizes the eye rotations according to the which is opposite to the head rotation movements. That is vestibulo-ocular reflex. One more example is neuromorphic circuit mimics the retina. The retina is a thin sheet of neural tissue that lines the posterior hemisphere of the eyeball. So it is present in the eyeball. What is its task means? It converts the optical image into the neural image for transmission down the optical nerve to continue with the other analysis. So that type of structure it mimics in neuromorphic circuits. What is neuromorphic circuit means? The electronic chip which has the structure of retina called is neuromorphic integrated circuit. This neuromorphic integrated circuit has the imaging sensors consisting of an array of photoreceptors combined with analogy circuitry at each picture element. So it is mimicking the retina which is present in the eyeball. So that is also one property, neurobiological analogy. That means it mimics the neurons functionality which is present in human brain. So that is one more property of the neural networks. By this, I am concluding this video. Thank you.